ஹலோ கைஸ், எல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? நான் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கேன். இன்றைக்கி இந்த வீடியோவில் என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா, ஃபுட் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் அண்ட் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் இந்த லெசன் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இந்த வீடியோ பார்க்கறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நாங்கள் போகிற வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனாக உடனுக்குடன் வந்து சேரும். சரி, வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். So the lesson is the food protection and management. The lesson is food protection and management. So first, introduction. Food is the third most basic need for life after oxygen and water. So it is a true statement. The food is the third most basic need for life after oxygen and water. So everyone need food to perform normal activities of a daily life. So we eat food, then only we can do the activities. We cannot eat the food, we do not do the activities. So next we are going to learn about the crops. What is meant by crops? A plant grown at a large scale of a land is called crops. A plant grown at a large scale of a land is called crops. For example, wheat, cereals, etc. So wheat it is in Tamil it is a godumai. Cereals it is in Tamil dhaniyangal. Okay. So next we are going to learn about the classification of crops. Crops are classified into three groups according to the season in which they are cultivated. So the crops are classified into three groups in which they are cultivated in likewise season. So, okay. So now we are going to learn about the classification of crops. One is the first classification of crop is the kharif. It is the monsoon crop. Kharif is a monsoon crop. It is grown in a rainy season and it is planted in July month and it is harvested in October month. Kharif is a monsoon crop. Kharif is grown in rainy season. Kharif is planted in July month. Kharif is harvested in October month. For example, rice, maize, soybean, etc. Rice, maize, soybean, etc. In our daily life, we eating the rice. So next, we are going to learn about the second type of the crop. What is the second type of a crop? Rabi is the second type of a crop. Rabi is a winter crop. It is grown in a winter season and it is planted in October month and it is harvested in a March month. So the Rabi is called winter crop. It is grown in a winter season and it is planted in October month and it is harvested in March month. For example, wheat, linseed, mustard, etc. Wheat, linseed, mustard, etc. So next, the third type of crop is zaid. Zaid is called summer crop. It is grown in summer season and it is planted in March month and it is harvested in June month. So zaid is a summer crop. It is grown in summer season and it is planted in October. It is planted in March month and it is harvested in June month. For example, watermelon, muskmelon, pumpkin, etc. Watermelon, muskmelon, pumpkin, etc. So next we are going to learn about the agricultural practice. What does mean by agricultural practice? Various steps involved in agricultural are collectively known as agricultural practice. The various steps is involved in agricultural, that is called the agricultural practice. So there are the 7 types of agricultural practice. One is the plugging, another one is the sowing, another one is third one is the additional of a manure and fertilizer, fourth one is the irrigation, fifth type is the weeding, sixth one harvesting, seventh one is the final stage storage. So now we are going to learn about the preparation of soil. So what does mean by preparation of soil? Plugging is also known as the preparation of soil. So now first we want to plug the land and next step we want to sow the land and next we want First we want to plug the land, next we want to sow the seed and next we want to add the manure and fertilizer, and next we want to irrigate the land, and next we want to weeding, and next to harvest, and next we want to store. First we want to prepare the soil, and we want to sowing, to add manure and fertilizer, to irrigation, to weeding, to harvesting, to storage. This all steps involved in cultivation of crops. So this all step is involved in the cultivation of crops. Now we're going to see about the topic plugging. What is meant by plugging? It is the first step in agricultural practice, which includes preparation of soil before sowing. Plugging is nothing but this is the first step involved in agricultural practice. It includes the preparation of soil before sowing. Plugging is nothing but it is in Tamil ulavudal. It is in Tamil ulavudal. So that is plugging. So plugging is done to loosen the soil. Plugging is done to loosen the soil. The soil crumbs formed after plugging can be broken with the help of tool called plank. So what is meant by soil crumbs? We plugged the land after we can see that the soil is formed like a bricks, is called crumbs, so that we can break with the help of the tool is called plank. So next we are going to learn about leveling. Leveling is also done after make a uniform bed for sowing and irrigation. So leveling is nothing but plugging after we want to level the soil for make the uniform soil bed. We want to level the soil for a uniform soil bed. Okay, so leveling is also prevent the soil erosion. We level the soil where the soil is prevent from the soil erosion. So next we are going to learn about the advantages of plugging. One is the soil is get the rich nutrients. The soil get rich nutrients. We plug in the land, the soil get rich nutrients, and it helps in removing weeds. Weeds is what? What is meant by weeds? It is unwanted substance. Unwanted materials is called weeds. Like unwanted plants is called weeds. So it helps in removing weeds. Weeds is nothing but unwanted plants. So next, it increases the growth of decomposers and the earthworm. So we plug the soil, it leads to improve the growth of decomposers and earthworms, and it helps the root to breathe easily. Okay, we plug the soil has loosen. We plug means the soil as loosening. So when the soil loosen, the root are breathe easily. When we plug, the root are breathe easily. So next we are going to learn about the sowing. What is meant by sowing? The act of planting seed is known as sowing. The act of planting seed is known as sowing. Before sowing, ensure that the seed are in good quality. Before seeding, we want to check that the seed are in good quality. So there are different methods of sowing. One is the broadcasting. What is meant by broadcasting? It is the scattering of seed by hand. It is the scattering of seed by hand. Okay, the seed are sowing by hand. So next, drilling. The second type is drilling. The drilling is nothing but it is a dropping of a seed into the soil with the help of tool like seed drill. That's drilling is mechanically we are sowing the seed into soil, like we using the seed drill to sowing the seed into soil. So that type is transplanting. Transplanting is a method. Seeds are grown in a nursery first and then planted into the field at the seedling stage. Transplanting is nothing but first the plant are growing in the nursery and next we planted in our field at the seedling stage. That is called transplanting. Next, use of traditional tool. Fourth type is use of traditional tool. In this, the seeds are sold manually by the help of funnel shaped tool. So in the use of traditional tool, the seeds are sold manually by the help of funnel shaped tool. Okay. So the class is over. Part 2 come soon. So bye bye.